painting projects, and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. So it's that time of the month again. It is asset drop time, the most anticipated time of the month. Now this is September's issue or box. Now I did mention in the last unboxing that there was a little bit of an issue with myself with updating the system and Royal Mail, but Assetdrop have sent me September's box. They retracted the one that got sent to my old address and they've sent me a new one out. So let's get it opened. Now, as you know, I love Assetdrop. I think it's a great product. Assetdrop.com is a website, I believe, or maybe .co.uk. But either way, I'm pretty sure one will lead to the other. I just think this box is pretty fantastic for any person, whether you're a beginner, whether you're advanced, whether you've been in the hobby for a long, for like me, 19 years, but even though some people may have been in it for 30 years, they might be considered as veterans. But it introduces to so many new other paints, and I just think that's fantastic, because most of the paints that I've received in this, I've wanted to try them, but I've never had a chance to buy them, or they've never been in local stores, they've been online. But me personally, I think it's a little bit silly purchasing one pot of paint for whatever price and then paying £3 postage. That's just who I am. That's just how I think. Anyway, this is the guide. We're going to put this to one side so we don't spoil things. We'll put that there for now. And then we've got the little thank you sticker, which I always hate ripping off. Let's have a little look inside. So we have got a refreshers bar. Now, being English, British, UK-ish, whatever you want to call me, these are something that I've grew up with pretty much all my life. They're my dad's favourite sweet, and they're one of mine as well, as you can probably tell. So that'll be enjoyed later on, and I can use that while I'm painting my minis when I get a chance. So the first thing I can see when I open this is some more foundry paints. Now we got one of these set in another issue, and I think that was to paint a dark skin tone. So let's have a look at these. Oh yeah, nipple pink. Oh, they're all called nipple pink. Oh, so that's light. So it'll go in this order, won't it? Maybe this order. So it's nipple pink first, so that's that one there. Focus, that's one. Then we've got the nipple pink shade, should be quite interesting. And then we've got the nipple pink light, so I'm guessing that's a highlight paint. So I believe these are very good paints. I've not had, well, I had a little dabble with the darker skin tone one, but it didn't come out very well. I can admit that. I'm a man enough to admit that. So we'll put that to one side. Now, this is one paint I've seen advertised, but I've never had a chance to use it. These are Colours of War. Oh yeah, sorry, before we start, where are these produced? I'm sure they're in England. Yeah, Stoke, East Stoke. Yeah, I thought they were British. So they're produced in England. These are produced in America, I believe. So these are the Colours of War. Let's just get them all lined up so you can see. So Sicily yellow, Motherland earth, and dark leather. That's quite cool. Might be able to use that for for leather and not just for whatever they're going to be suggested in the box. And these are 12ml bottles. And these are, and as you like, this is one thing, guys. Look, shake well. Always shake your paints well. Does it say where it's produced? Oh no, it doesn't. Let's have a look. And it doesn't say, but I'm guessing they're produced in America. So that's another cool set of paints which I've never used and I've always wanted to use. And I have heard of them as well, by the way. We have got some MIG pigments. Oh, gunmetal pigments. Oh, it's a powder. It's a little open. I'm not going to dip my finger in this time like I did last time. Yes, look at that. Can you see that? Wow, it's fantastic. Made up with that. So let's not waste any. I don't like to waste stuff. That's a pigment powder. This is American, I believe, or is it Japanese? Oh, Spanish. Get it right, and. So yeah, so this is from Spain. I actually thought it was American for some reason. Ah, that's why. I've seen a lot of American YouTubers use this, and I've also seen a lot of the, what's it called? Oh, what's his name? Orc Painting there paints them. It's the big robots, the Japanese robots. The name slips my mind at the moment, but anyway, I've seen him use them. So gunmetal modelling pigment. Now I'm pretty sure these retail at quite about £5-ish. So that's quite interesting that these are in there. I'm interested to see what the guide suggests how to use these, because this is a valuable piece of information. This, What else have we got? Another Ammo MIG product. It's brush and airbrush compatible dark tracks. Oh, right, okay. It's got a ball bearing inside, which I think is another great thing. Why can't other companies put ball bearings inside the paint? To mass buy ball bearings and to put in your paints, it wouldn't cost much, would it? It's something for these other companies to think about. So I'm got some tanks to paint in the future, so I can always use that. That's great. And then we have got, and again, Alclad 2. This is the mud, and this is another pigment. You know what, guys? I've said it a million times. Focus. Get rid of autofocus. I've said this a million times. I want to take my painting to the next level. When I watch the likes of Kenny Boucher from Next Level Painting, I want to be as good as him. That's what I aspire to be like. I don't know how good or how bad my painting is. I can sort of guess and say, yeah, they're okay. I'm not going to blow smoke up my own arse, but I'm also not going to put myself down. My painting style is okay. And this is why I want to try and encourage people who are in the hobby that need a little bit of a nudge up the arse, a little kick up the arse to improve their painting, because I'm trying to improve my painting. And if we can all help each other, we can all encourage each other. And that's another reason why I've got the Facebook group, Peninsula Hobby and Chill, because you share your stuff on there. We can all encourage each other, make suggestions, and grow as a community and help each other. So I believe incorporating new paints into your painting routine will do that. It will allow you to improve. It'll help you improve. So anyway, guys, let's have a little look at how much these cost. So the foundry paints are £3.50 each. That's £10.50, is that? Yeah, £10.50. That's not too bad. What mil are they? 20 mil. So that's even better, isn't it? 20 mil. The Ammo MIG gunmetal pigment is £4.50. I wasn't too far off there, was I? And then the Ammo Tracks is £3.20. Oh, right. It's not too bad, is it? I think that's a metallic paint as well, The Alclad mud pigment is £2.73. I think that's quite cheap, I think that's a really good price for the amount of the sheer volume that you're getting in this pot. Cool. And then the colours of war, dark leather and all that, they're £2.25. Again, I think that's a reasonably priced as well. And here's how to paint flames or some sort of monstrous creature. Looks a bit like Carnage from the Marvel comics, Spider-Man comics. Gives you a breakdown of all this. How to paint pottery, so you're going to use them to paint pottery. That's quite interesting. Thinking of getting into D&D, so maybe I'll be able to get some pots and paint them. And here's the vehicle track here. It's quite interesting. Aged armour. Oh, so you can use it on the armour as well, can you? That's interesting. I need to have another look at this after I film this. And also, they're giving back to the Blue Marine Foundation which is fantastic. It's always good to give back to charities. I donate to a couple a year, the Dogs Trust and Oxfam and stuff like that. It's got to be done. So guys, thanks for watching. If you're subscribed to this, let me know. Let me know if you've used these paints and let me know what you think of them. And I'll speak to you soon. Nice one, guys. Ta.